Hello students, welcome again to your SST class, and we are reading lesson number 13, Famous People of the World. And today we will start from Mahatma Gandhi, who is called the father of the nation in our country India, and who was also a famous political leader of the world. Mahatma Gandhi's lifespan. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born in Porbandar, a town in Gujarat in western India, on 2nd October 1869. Gandhi was assassinated on 30th January 1948 on the grounds of Birla House, New Delhi. It means Mahatma Gandhi's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and he born in a town of Gujarat, that was Porbandar, and his date of birth was 2nd October 1869. And after independence, there were some people, those were against his theories, so he was also assassinated, means he was also murdered in Delhi like Abraham Lincoln. Popular names. He was popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi and as beloved Bapu in India. There are some special names given to Gandhiji by the people, like his original name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, but he is also called Bapu or Mahatma Gandhi or the father of the nation also. Study of law in England. In the year 1888, he travelled to England to study law at the University College of London to train as a barrister. It means Gandhiji went to England to study law or to be trained as a barrister. Barrister means lawyer. Great political and spiritual leader. Gandhiji had many qualities of leadership and spirituality. He was also a great political leader and spiritual leader. Spiritual means he had religious and spiritual qualities like truth and violence. He was one of the greatest political and spiritual leader of India who led the country during the non-cooperation movement in 1922, Salt March in 1930, and later Quit India movement in 1942. It means he worked as a leader during these moments of independence of India. Weapons against the British rule. We all know that Mahatma Gandhi believed in ahimsa, means non-violence. It means he fought for the country without using any original weapons. Mahatma Gandhi adopted the policy of mass disobedience and non-violent resistance as weapons against the British rule in India and followed the principle of ahimsa. It means he fought or worked for the freedom of the country without using any original weapons like sword or gun, but he used the weapons of mass disobedience, means he refused to follow the commands of British people, and also he followed non-violent resistance. It means he opposed the British rule without using any weapon. Role in the movement of South Africa. However, his struggle did not restrict him to India alone, as he played a key role in the civil rights movement in South Africa and secured them the right to justice and equality. It means in South Africa also he opposed the discrimination like difference of social status, color, etc. So he also participated in civil rights movement of South Africa and helped the people of the country in getting special rights of justice and equality. Gandhi Jayanti and Non-Violence Day. His birthday 2nd October is commemorated as Gandhi Jayanti, a national holiday, and as the International Non-Violence Day across the world. It means he is famous in our country India and as well as in the whole world also, as we celebrate his birthday as a national holiday, but people of the world today are celebrating his birthday as the International Non-Violence Day. Spiritual and religious leaders. First of all, we will read about Martin Luther, who had a great faith in God and truth. Luther's lifespan. Martin Luther King was born in 1929 at Atlanta in USA. In 1968, he was assassinated. It means his birthplace was Atlanta in America, and he was also assassinated. Assassinated means murdered. He was also murdered like Mahatma Gandhi and Abraham Lincoln. Thus, he spent a short term of life, but his life was full of spirituality. Faith in Jesus. He taught that all men are equal and salvation can only be received when a person attains true faith in Jesus. He had a great faith in Jesus. It means he believed in equality of all people of the society, and also he believed in salvation and keeping faith in Jesus means God. Father of Protestantism. A German monk theologian, university professor, priest, and church reformer, Luther was one who began the Protestant Reformation and changed the course of Western civilization. He was a Protestant. It means he was against the discrimination among the people. So he is also called father of Protestantism. It means he worked as a German monk, means a religious or spiritual leader. Theologian means a person who studies the subject of religion in detail, and university professor and priest means he worked as a religious teacher, and he worked to reform the rules of church. So he started to protest against the discrimination of color and race, and because of his revolt there were many changes in the style of Western civilization. Means he changed the thinking and lifestyle of the Western people. Fight against racism. He boldly fought against racism, which discriminated people on the basis of the color of the skin and the race. It means he fought with the traditions those were spreading the difference among the people regarding their color and category. Protection of black people. Though Lincoln had abolished slavery in 1862, blacks were still badly hated in the southern states of USA. They suffered great humiliation. Martin Luther King resisted all such humiliating practices in the United States. As we have studied that Abraham Lincoln ended the system of slavery, but still black people were facing problems of humiliation, means insult. It means white people insulted the black people. So Martin worked against these activities of British people. Peace Prize holder, and he was also a specimen or model of peace and humanity, and also he got awards for the quality of peace. He was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1964. He was also given the Jawaharlal Nehru Peace Prize by India posthumously. Posthumously means after that. It means he got a prize from country India after his death. Path of non-violence. He adopted the path of non-violence as shown by Mahatma Gandhi. He was also following the path of non-violence. He also followed the theory of non-violence that was given by Gandhi.